10 years after Kobe Bryant's iconic farewell game, the Nike Kobe 11 Elite Protro Fade to Black will make a comeback in 2026. The original pair, which he wore during his legendary 60-point performance in Los Angeles, came to represent his legacy and departure. With a Protro upgrade linked to Mamba Day, Nike revives the moment while improving the performance build and maintaining the emotional connection. With a blacked-out mesh upper and matching midsole, the sneaker adheres to its original design from 2016, giving it a sleek, understated appearance. The narrative is carried by gold accents. On the side panels, a metallic swoosh is prominent, and the date of Bryant's last game, April 13th, 2016, is written along the heel. A gold 11 logo on the insole, 4 embroidered lines commemorating his Achilles comeback, and a discreet XX branding that pays homage to his 20 NBA seasons are further embellishments.